First, open TikTok. On the home screen, tap the search icon. Here, you'll see a recent searches. Each one has a small X next to it. If you tap the X, that specific search will disappear, but this only removes it individually, not completely. To fully clear your history, go to your profile. From your profile page, tap the 3 lines in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the Content and Display section, then tap Activity Center. Choose Search History. Here, you'll see a full list of everything you've searched for. To delete everything at once, tap Select in the top right corner. At the bottom, choose Select All Search History. Now tap Delete All. TikTok will remove search history from the last 180 days. That's as far back as it keeps records. Confirm by tapping Delete. And that's it. Your search history is now cleared. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.